So your thoughts on law and order. And again, our GOP Pillar states that we believe every human life matters and the public's trust in the equal and sure application of law enforcement, civil order, and the rule of law is essential to a successful society. So how do you balance the rights of the citizens to petition their government for redress of grievances and still provide a safe community? And what needs to be done to restore the public's trust in law enforcement to ensure that everybody feels that they have equal protection under the law?
Sure. So one of the things, first of all, I think it should go without saying, but I'll say it anyways, and that is I 100% back the blue. And I have a proven track record of doing so. Again, sitting on the county board, we have these unfunded mandates, and they wanted to take money away from the sheriffs, which means less sheriffs on the street in Rockford, Illinois. Right? If you're not familiar with Rockford, it's pretty much like downtown Chicago. It's not exactly the safest. In fact, it's spreading throughout our whole community now. And I had to fight like tooth and nail, like heck, to make sure to think of creative ways. And it's ridiculous. I come from a family of attorneys, and I was raised that way. I mean, my uncle's a judge, and he was a former state's attorney. My grandfather was a justice magistrate. The police are your friends. The notion that they're not, and this legislation that's crazy coming out of Chicago right now is absurd. So the first thing, of course, is you must push back that Senate bill before you can do anything else with public safety. You know, the Senate bill where 3653, I was getting the number, I forgot it, where a cop will eventually be personally liable. How many cops do you think are going to want to work for that? None. We're neutering our police force. We're taking away pride of the badge. These things are insane to me, and there's no way I'm going to stand for it. We've had Back the Blue rallies that I've personally thrown. I have been very active in many. In fact, I've donated my time and talents to many sheriff races. I don't even know the guys half the time. But I say, if you're a part of the blue, I'm going to help you. I'll do what I can to help your campaign. We've got the Safer Citizens initiative that's been lately. I'm one of the founders of that. Brian Kelly kind of put that together, and I do the website for that and do a lot of things there. When it comes to public safety, especially here in McHenry County, these things are very important to me. You guys are pretty much, you're the line from the rest of us, and Chicago is coming in. So it's important to me to work with either Rob Tatelman or Tony Coltari and say, hey guys, what can we do to support you, because you are the line, and we need to have good people feeling safe in their homes. So there's a lot to do, to be honest with you.